So we're all in the car together, all four of us, and guess what? I'm so excited. We are actually, well, we're making a day trip out of it because it takes like an hour and a half to get there, but we are going to go check out some more ragdoll cats. I'm definitely on my way to being a crazy cat lady. So I thought it might be fun since we're, since it's quite a long trip. There was this game that Miss S was telling us about that was on TikTok or something like that, right? And then basically you say a category and then all four of us have to say the first thing we think of, and then we'll see like who matches. So we thought we'll just play a little bit of a game since we're in the car for a little bit, and then I don't know if I'll vlog or if I'm allowed to vlog when I'm at the cattery, but definitely there'll be a little bit of footage because we're not sure if we are going to get one, but it's still exciting to go check out the little kittens, maybe have a friend for Chino, but all four of us have to, unanimously agree if we are to get one. But the fact that we're considering kind of tells you that we are after another cat. So anyway, so there's Miss S.
Hi.
Sunshine, and hubby's driving. So does someone want to suggest a category first? Like, what should we do first? Fruit. Okay, so what do you do? Go 1, 2, 3, then we say the fruit? Okay. You say 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Apple. What did you
say?
Apple.
I said apple.
Oh, so all four of us said apple?
I said apple.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
apple.
alright. Okay, do another one.
Okay,
I'll do one. Okay. Flower. Ready?
Hang on.
1, 2, 3.
Chrysanthemum.
Peony.
What'd you say?
Sunflower.
Tulip.
I said peony. What'd you say?
Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum.
Okay. Alright, Sunshine, you think of a category.
Pizza.
Okay.
Type of pizza.
3, 2, 1.
Margarita. What did you guys say?
Pepperoni.
Okay, so 3 pepperonis. Clearly margarita is my favorite. I think everyone else likes pepperoni. Alright, hubby, you think of a category.
Cars.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Porsche. What?
Mercedes.
Mercedes, what'd you say?
Porsche.
I said Porsche. Okay, so half because, I own a Merc and hubby owns a Porsche, so that kind of makes sense. And the kids, we tend to drive, we're currently in my car at the moment, so we tend to take family trips in my car. All right, Miss S, back to you. Another category.
Sport.
A sport, okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Basketball.
What'd you say?
Table tennis.
What'd you?
Volleyball.
Hockey.
Hockey. I said basketball. Yeah, that was all different. Okay, my turn. Color, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Green.
Blue. What'd you say?
Green.
Blue.
Green, blue, and both of you said blue?
Yeah, what'd you say?
I said pink. Because I'm wearing pink.
Oh, true.
Oh, might as well just show you. We'll take a pause because my arm's getting sore. This is my bag of the day. That's why I said pink. It's my Prada vintage bag. Holds tons. So might as well show you my bag of the day. All right, let's go back to playing a couple more. Let me just hold this up. All right, Sunshine, your turn.
Australian animal.
Australian animal. Okay, ready? You have to
3,
say
2, 1.
Wallaby.
Koala emu.
I said koala.
Wallaby.
I was gonna say kangaroo.
Oh, you said wallaby. Okay, I said emu. All right, we're just going to do a couple more categories. We'll just do one more round each. So I think it's your turn, Miss S.
Luxury designer brand.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You say you have to count
3,
down.
2, 1.
CUTIES.
Yes.
I
What?
said LV.
LV.
LV, what'd you say?
Cartier.
Cartier. Of course I'm going to say Hermes. All right, my turn. Okay. Animal. This one. No, I'm not. Yeah, but
We can't pick cat.
we can't pick cat. Okay, we can't pick cat.
Wait,
Okay.
let me think
Ready?
now.
Okay,
I
ready?
got mine.
3, 2, 1.
Otter.
What'd you? I said giraffe. What'd you say?
Hamster.
What'd you-
Dog.
Dog. What'd you say?
Otter.
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 This is so cute.
Okay. Sunshine, your turn.
Mode of transport.
Mode of transport. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Airplane.
I said bus.
Train.
Both of you said train. I said airplane. Okay. All right, Hubs, yours the final one. What's another category?
I'm hungry, so let's do dessert.
Dessert. Okay.
All right,
Countdown.
3, 2, 1. Ice
Away.
cream.
I needed it. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. What was
Mango
yours?
pudding.
Mango pudding. Mine's creme brulee. So it sounds like everyone went with their favorite dessert. All right. Anyway, we're gonna stop here for now. We're gonna see if we have time. We might stop for lunch or late lunch. Depends on when we see the cats. So we'll catch you in a bit. Oh, but these are small, right?
This is what the mummy looks like.
Mommy's so pretty.
So it's pretty windy at the moment and we just found a nearby beach. I'm really surprised at the low tide though. There's Miss S and sunshine behind. Sorry if it's so windy. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you just the view because such low tide. And then I'll tell you more about the cats a bit later. Okay, so this is the view, and as you can see, I don't know what's happened, but it's super, super low tide. Hey guys, so back in the car now. We've had lunch, we went to the beach for a little bit, just for a little walk, and honestly, wow, I think we're really confused now because we went to this very highly rated breeder and she had so many different litters of kittens and we're not sure. We're just having a think at the moment. I think we initially went with the idea that we wanted a girl, but then I think all of us really liked this boy, so we're just not 100% sure, but it was so fun just to see and interact and just like see all the kittens. I've never seen so many ragdoll kittens in my life. So that is it from us. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this quick family vlog and seeing all the cute little kitties. Let me know, comment below if you've got a ragdoll and if it's a boy or it's a girl or if you've got two, and is it better to have two than one? We're not sure. All we know is that we're smitten with cats now. Good evening, my loves. Excuse the sun. We're all in the car at the moment. I totally forgot my microphone, but hopefully you should be able to hear me. There's Miss S reading and Sunshine, I think, just listening to music. So we are headed to a micro breeder this time to check out some of their kittens. And yeah, don't know what to expect. So you would have seen earlier that we went to a big breeder. We didn't realize like she was such a big breeder. She had so much experience. I think she said she had like 22 years. But we said it has to be at least a majority of votes. So 2 of us really liked a little boy, and 2 of us didn't. So we'll check out these ones and see how we feel. But the journey for a little playmate for Chino continues. So I will vlog more when we get there. So that is it for this video, guys. So that is what I meant by part 2 for Sunshine's present. He actually was searching for all these kitties and did all the research. So I am happy to report we got a little playmate for Chino. So I'm so excited to share with you our new little addition and also share the name of our new little kitty. And that will be coming up soon in my next video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you soon. Bye, guys.